to my channel, Nico's Neighborhood. So now today, we're going to change the coolant in the SZ and also attach these new silicone hoses that came from HPSI. And also, they were nice enough to throw in some suckers from. So thank you, HPSI. Now let's get to working. So to be safe, we're going to use the owner's manual to replace. And we are going to use it. And you should also buy 2 leather books. 1 is for how to service everything, and 2 is an authentic book. Okay, so first we have to remove the cap for the air cooler. But you should always do this on a cool engine. So we undo the cap like so. Now we have to take the plug off the actuator. And for the SZ model, it is a 14-inch meter. So here we go. So we have to take the lower radiator hose off now. So do you see that? That one is the lower radiator hose. So let's take that off. So, in case you're wondering, I changed my clothes because it's a new course of the day. But we took out all of the pipes from the curb. These are all the old pipes. And now we're going to put in the new HPSI motorsport pipes. Let's do this. So, we've got all the pipes installed. Now we're gonna refill the system with coolant and test it. So we are using a 50-50 mix of universal coolant and distilled water. Okay, so we just tested the engine and we're testing for leaks. And if you look at the engine, fan's running well, engine's on, no leaks. So all we have to do now is a test drive. Let's go! This is so exciting, guys. The car's starting up for the first time. It's very exciting. So let's go for a test drive and see what happens. First test drive, guys. We are on the road. Let's go. Watching this video. If you like this video, click that like button, subscribe down below, hit the notification bell, and comment. Bye!